Typically, judges are elected, but on Wednesday, the Hamilton County Commission will appoint a new General Sessions Court judge to an interim 2-year term. It's the seat Alex McVeagh will vacate after winning election to higher office earlier this month.
I think a judge duty. This is small claims. One of the points of General Sessions Court is to allow folks to adjudicate their cases as quickly and even without an attorney, to do it as cheaply and quickly as possible. We're the people's court.
The 5 General Sessions judges in the county handle a lot of cases, like a lot. 40 to 50,000 per year spread across all their defendants. Any misdemeanor like minor theft or drug possession, civil cases about eviction, credit card debt disputes, lawsuits against small businesses. They also oversee DUIs, assault, and even the preliminary hearing for a murder charge.
And every judge has to remember, for every single person that steps in front of you, that is potentially one of the most important days of their life.
And there aren't jury trials in Sessions Court. For anything that's not a plea deal or a settlement, the judge determines the outcome. So if you wind up in court, it's important who's on the bench.
I hope that you get a judge who will listen, who will fairly apply the law, and who you will feel, even if you don't win your case. I might not agree with that guy or gal, but I had a fair shot, and I think they followed the law.
There are 8 finalists for the job: Keisha Cheeks, Tracy Cox, Andrew Coyle, Ron Powers, Sam Robinson III, Tori Smith, Pat Wagner, and Jonathan Wilson. Whoever gets appointed will be on the bench until a special election in 2026. Then voters will elect who will finish out the term, which ends in 2030. There's still time to have a say about who will replace McVeagh. The county commission picks the new judge tomorrow. So look through the candidates and then call or email your commissioner to give your opinion. You can also speak at the county commission meeting, which starts at 9:30 a.m. Wednesday morning at the courthouse on Georgia Avenue.